So we're just coming out of this dip where the whole market is following the Bitcoin trend and everything's down about 10, 15%. Some coins are down even 20%. And I did the right thing. I prepared for this moment. I had set aside a couple $1,000s in stablecoin and USD, and I was waiting for the bottom of the market. And I did. I picked it out right. I picked it out yesterday and I was like, I think this is the bottom. Everything's looking kind of down. And you know what? I'm just going to start dollar cost averaging in. I did it all correctly, except for one thing. I didn't know which coin to pick on its way up. Which coin was going to be the biggest rebounder out of this dip. And in this video, I'm going to show you my findings, some of my thoughts, whether or not you can agree with them or not. We could have that discussion down in the comment section below. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to 1 Bitcoin. Okay, I am not your financial advice. This is never financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, I'm a cowboy. Look at this hat. Okay, does it look like something a financial advisor would wear? No, I don't think, unless you're in Texas. Okay, I have a little lizard brain, gorilla arms, diamond hands, exploring the wild west of cryptocurrency, with a whole bunch of wild cowboys. Also, if you want to join us, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, give us a like button on this video. If you are feeling generous, you want to help grow this channel, of course, join the Telegram, because that's where we have a whole bunch of big brain talk, looking at different coins and different money moves in the market. Now, like I said, I was looking at this dip. This whole market trend has been just, and it's just funny because when you're in crypto, 5%, 10%, 15% swings do not even phase you. They shouldn't phase you. It's like, well, okay, this is another day in crypto, whatever. But if it was in the stock market, people are freaking out over 2, 3%. Bro, like, crypto holders are built different. Crypto traders are built just different. Like, I'm native crypto. This is all I really know. I didn't really invest in stocks before. This is just crypto. Anyway, so I'm watching this market trend going down, and I've been in it long enough to see the trends, when it goes down, to have stablecoin, to make sure that you have enough to actually buy the dip. That's what the saying is. So I did, and I bought in big on BNB. Okay, BNB was, and well, hold on, let me just take us through it. I'm gonna bring in my iPhone here. So this is the BTC chart, and in the last, let's say, 2.5 weeks, you see this massive down run, right? And that was the same for everyone. And then you see the spring up, basically today, the 21st, and you see this massive green candlestick. Now it's going from where it goes here. I don't know. I'm not technical analysis guy. Go find that guy out there. That's not me. But okay, yeah. See, VET's going up again. But what I've seen is that. And this is my portfolio. I've got 8,500 in this particular exchange wallet. What I've seen that, the whole market follows Bitcoin. I put my money into BNB, and I thought BNB would run it back up, faster, better than anything else. And it did. I'm not complaining about a 9% increase. So you can see here, 9%. This candlestick right here is what I gained off of. I really bought at around like 262, right around there. And now it's 288, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take profit from here. Okay, this is what just we normally do. I put in about $3,000, maybe $4,000, or around 3,500. I remember 3,500, and then so I'm gonna start taking profit out, and then I'm gonna be happy with this 10% swing. Okay, 10%. No one's crying for Aaron. No one's, oh, poor Aaron, you only got 10%. It's big. It's big. If you were in the stock market, you'd be a genius trader. Okay, whatever. However, I did miss out on some opportunity cost. I am going to go through the biggest swings that I think, were the best, and where I should have put my money in. And we're going to start with the biggest one, and it was Matic. Matic yesterday, if you see this chart right here, Matic was as low as 62 cents. I actually saw it. I was tracking this yesterday. I saw it at 62 cents, and I thought, man, Matic is at 62 cents, and yesterday's high is 73 cents, and just like a few days ago it was like at over $1. So I'm like, geez, Matic seems really undervalued right now. If you don't know what Matic is, what Polygon is, it's a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. What that basically means, all right? Like, I don't even know what layer 2 means. It basically means it's like something that goes on top of Ethereum that makes it faster and reduces the gas fees. Okay, and it's very popular. That's all you really needed to know. If you want to know more about Matic, I made a video about it, and you could go with some other videos. But basically, that's what it is. So I'm like, this seems very undervalued. But then I was like, okay, I don't know about Matic. We'll see. For whatever reason, I didn't pick it, right? I picked BNB, as I said. And then my other guess was Engine. I was like, Engine seemed pretty low yesterday too. So Engine closed as low as 92 cents. And I was used to seeing Engine at about $1.20, right around there. If you don't know what Engine is like basically like NFT gaming blockchain. Not exclusively, but that's kind of like how I know it as. So I could be wrong. I haven't done a deep dive in Engine, but I've usually seen, and I keep track of like coins, right? I'm always watching these coins that I like. Look, like this is where I see it at. And if you see on like the opens and the closes, like 120, 130, and then it starts dipping, right? And when it got down to like below $1, I was like, man, I haven't seen it below $1 in a while. So yeah, I don't know. Those were the really ones that I was looking at, but I picked BNB because I just thought, hey, you know what? I think there'll be a lot of excitement in BSC. I think there'll be a lot of excitement in some meme coins if when this springs back up. So I'm gonna pick BNB, and you know it was a good pick. I mean, everything's a good pick, honestly. If you bought the dip, you're up, right? You're up. I was looking at VET because it was at like 5 cents. I haven't seen it at 5 cents in a very, very long time. So I picked BNB, and it was only 9% gain. Again, no one's crying for me. But the big winner here was Matic, which gained from 62 cents to like 87, which is about a third, almost 30. It was 30 for a second. 30% bounce rate back. So that's a lesson learned. Next time I know I'm going to be buying Matic if there's a big dip. So I'm gonna pull my coins out of BNB right now. I'm going to stick it in stable. I'm going to wait for this drop again, the next dip, and just keep hitting these swings, right? Also the other reason that I chose BNB was that I was able to swap for it. I didn't buy it on Binance Exchange. I bought it on what's that called, Pancake Swap. You know what I mean? So I didn't have to deal with the fees or anything. But if you buy Matic, you'd have to be buying it on like the Ethereum network or whatever, like on MetaMask, and who knows what those gas fees might be. Now, Aave is the next one. Look at this. It's like 19% bounce back on from this dip. So that was really interesting too. So I'll be keeping my eye on Aave a little closer. The reason why I don't really like, or it wasn't even on my radar this time around, is because it's so expensive. And I know it doesn't matter. It's just all market cap. But this little lizard brain just looks at like a cheap coin, like $1 coin from Matic, 87 cents coin like Matic, and just go for it. The other one I really liked was VeChain. I'm always liking VeChain. VeChain is one of the first cryptocurrencies that I bought, but this was about 15%. So I mean, out of the ones that I liked, BNB, VET, Engine, and Matic, I picked the worst one, BNB. It had the lowest percentage recovery. Next time, so here's the lesson, right? The next time I'm going to pull out my coins now. I'm going to start dollar cost averaging out because I made what I am happy with. If it goes up to 20% gain, I'm happy. I have to get into my brain. I have to say I am happy with a 9% gain. It's okay. But yeah, I'll start pulling my money out of here, my profits out of here, keep it in stablecoin, and the next time there is a dip, I will be buying Matic. Not your financial advisor, just a little lizard brain cowboy trying to make it big out here, riding with a whole bunch of other cowboys. If you want to join us, hit the subscribe button down below, notification bell, of course, for any updated content, and of course, give us a like channel button on this button. All right, join the Telegram. I'll see you later. See you on the moon.